to drive to Disneyland in this van. It's not cool.
Plus it runs on gasoline, so it's bad for the environment.
It's a soccer mom's van. Like, it's so lame.
Yeah, let's buy an electric car.
Yay.
Oh wow, it's cool and it's electric.
Now we can go to LA in style.
And it's electric, so it's good for the environment.
And that's not even the best part.
Oh look, it comes with a portable solar-powered charging station, so you can charge your car wherever you go.
It comes with 4 electric batteries
For more mileage.
that you can recharge.